NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train. Parkstown Restaurant has been serving the greater Newcastle area with quality and experience in family dining and great entertainment. The Parkstown Restaurant, located at 2800 West State Street, Newcastle. Eat in or take out.
These fine businesses provided funding for this program. Gatherings, Town and Country, and On Target. It's a Christmas open house, yes. Prior to the start of the new legislative season, January 1st, the 10th Legislative District Representative, Aaron Bernstein, is inviting people to an open house. And this open house will be on Thursday, the 20th of December, from 5 to 7 at his office on 438 Line Avenue in Elwood City. His staff, he goes on to say, "My staff and I are committed to being accessible to the people we serve. Please consider stopping by before Christmas and talking about what's on your mind prior to the start of the new year. This will be a great opportunity to learn how his office can help you." So 724-752-2120. If you have any questions, give them a call and they'll be sure to answer them. Now we're going to take this break and we'll be right back on NewsWatch.